Hello there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and white is winning. White can win this. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. This pawn is going forward in this direction, so make sure to put that in perspective. Okay, so welcome back. So now the problem of this puzzle is this bishop, the black bishop, which prevents us from pushing the pawn. So when you encounter these kinds of situation, what you are going to think is promoting your pawn, obviously, but you have to do this properly, otherwise black would sacrifice everything to stop that pawn. And if you lose this pawn, that is your only winning chance, meaning you can't win with only a knight, and that would be just a draw. I think that clarification helps a lot. So the first move is not pushing the pawn or making a king move. We can't make a king move because our knight is just under attack. If we just make any king move, black will just capture the knight and it's just game over. We can't make this pawn pass from this way without getting in danger by the bishop. So that is the idea, and the knight has to move somewhere and win us the game. So we have a lot of moves to play, but most of them doesn't even make sense, and the thing that makes sense is knight to f8, and that is the correct move. So what is the idea? Well, the idea is now black can't play these two moves, right? It's like an opposition thing, right? The knight and the pawn are creating a barrier, and which the king now can't get any closer. Not only this is the first idea. The second idea is after the king moves, we are going to play knight to d6, a very clever move. And if you had a chance to see that, we have just blocked the bishop accessing from f7. So now we can just make the pawn pass that way, right? So that is the idea, and now black can't do anything. Obviously, if black captures, we capture, and black may just play this move. We push, and this is winning. So if black captures our knight, we are winning. We are going to win the opposition. That is the important thing. And in this position, if black didn't capture this, instead, if black makes a king move now, if black makes a king move, it doesn't make sense to play a king move from the black side, but we are going to make a queen easy. So the move that makes sense for black is to play bishop to somewhere to this diagonal, with a very simple idea to move the bishop into this diagonal. So that way it could attack the pawn, but now we go fast, right? We push and we promote to a queen and win the game. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of that, congratulations. For a recap, first we are going to play knight to f8 check, and this makes the black king to move. King to e8 is kind of a reasonable move, and that is the best move according to the engine because it gets closer to the pawn and the pieces. Next we are going to play knight to g6. This way it's going to be game over. It doesn't matter what black plays. We push, give a check, and make a queen. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.